Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? So artificial neural network, today's class is artificial neural network. As you know, artificial intelligence free series is going on. Today is topic I choose the artificial neural network. Already we did so many questions, so many topic is done. Now it's the time to do the neural network. All of you are ready to do the neural network? Here you can see the neural network. These are the topics are there. What is neural network? How neural networks works and where it works, where we can use neural network, what are the different layer, how the layer is working, how to calculate this neural network. Numericals are also coming from here. Deep neural network, how it's actually working, what are the different types of network, what is perceptron, what is feed forward network, what is multi-layer perceptron, conventional network. All these networks are very important. All the discussion we will do. What is supervised, which one is supervised algorithm, which one is non-supervised algorithm, unsupervised algorithm, and the detail of this, all the networks we are going to do now. I will explain you each and every concept. And because from the neural network so many repeated questions are coming in UGC NET set and all other exams, those who are preparing where the artificial intelligence is there in your semester exam or other exam, it is very important. They are asking multiple questions, so many questions are asking from this area. So that's why all of you please concentrate on this topic. Next class will be on neural network question. Today only evening we are going to do the question, but before question, if you don't know the concept, then you cannot do the question. That's why you have to understand concept, then we will go for question. Okay, yes, all are ready, and I can say that it is 100% confirmed topic. So not only one question, 1 to 3 questions also coming from this neural network topic. I will show you UGC NET set previous years. I will show that all the question. This is very important. Okay, yes, see that under machine learning, neural network is most important. Machine learning, all the algorithm, detail algorithm, rather than that before exam what are important, I am focusing on that topic. Okay, in machine learning all the algorithms, if I am going in depth, then it will take your 1 week. Then it will take your 1 week at least minimum 1 week. So before exam it is not possible to go in depth of all the algorithm of machine learning. That's why I am suggesting you before exam, as it is the crash course, you know, before exam whatever important I will cover that, so that you can get marks, right? I told that yes, the machine learning all the algorithms are there, but whatever according to the analysis, whatever I saw, neural network questions are coming more. So let's do that, right? After exam, when we have time, then we can do those topic, but focus on this topic, what is important for your exam. So let's start. Here the neural network is the method. Neural network is the part of artificial intelligence and machine learning only. This is that one type of machine learning algorithm from where the questions are coming more. Other than other machine learning, this is the area from where questions are coming more. That's why I switched to neural network. Okay, so the neural network is the method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer the process of data the way inspired by human brain. How? Yes, that is, I am telling whatever important, whatever I am telling you, try to do that. This area is the under machine learning topic only. Neural network is the part of machine learning, right? How machine is learning through neural network. What is neural network? How our brain is working, how our neuron is working. It is under the part of machine learning only. What is important, that is only I am telling you. How our brain is working, how our brain is taking decision, that is the part, and this part is more focused area. Okay, so it is called the deep learning. Here this is under the deep learning, which is more high level. Deep learning used to interconnect the node and neurons in the layers structure, reassemble the human brain. How our brain is working, in the same way we are trying to make an algorithms that so that it can work as the neuron. So it creates an adaptive system in the computer which used to learn mistakes. They are learn from their mistake and improve continuously. Because we are the human being, we are also learning from mistake. So neural network is also helping to learn from mistake. Artificial neural network solve the complicated problem like summarizing document, recognizing face. These are the area of neural network. Okay. Why neural network is important? Neural network is important for assistance of the human assistance. That is because can learn the model relationship. We learned that, right? Pattern matching. Pattern matching is the part of machine algorithm. So here it is trying to find out the relationship between input and output data that are non-linear and complex. Whatever we learn, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Here we will learn those algorithms what are coming under supervised. Neural network can be supervised, can be unsupervised, I told, right? So here you will see some algorithms we will do what are coming under which category, that we will learn. So here make generalization of the interfaces. Neural network can comprehend in the unstructured data when the data is not structured. Make the general observation without explicit training. Maybe you are not able to label all the data, it is not in a structure, it is totally unstructured. They can recognize the two different input sentence and similar meaning. It can be done through the neural network. Two different sentence but maybe similar meaning. So that is possible through the neural network. Can you tell me what is the example? Can you tell me how to make the payment? Here is the how do I transfer the money? Is this same language? That is coming under natural language processing also. They are two different sentence, but through neural network it can understand the meaning of these two sentences are same. That is not possible by a normal pattern matching or normal syntax analysis. That is not possible. It is possible through neural network to understand, okay, this two sentence meaning is same. Neural network can know that yes, both sentence mean is the same thing, or it is able to recognize the person, that is the Boxer Smith came to that person name. Here you can see Boxer Road. Boxer Road is something and Boxer Smith is something. Through neural network it is possible that okay, Boxer Road that is a place and Boxer Smith that is a person name. These are the differentiate is required, right? Machine learning, how machine is able to learn? Machine learning is possible how? That is where, in which level? Nowadays in this level it is required, right? You are writing Boxer Road, machine is able to understand, okay, this is a road, this is not a human being, it is a place. You are writing Boxer Smith, now it is able to understand, no, it is a human being. This is the part, got it? Why I came to here, why I came to this topic, got it? What is the importance? Importance should be clear, then you will get interest and then you can understand this topic. So what are the neural network used for? Where we are using? Everywhere. You can see across many industries we are using, and that's why they are asking question more in this area. Medical diagnosis, medical image classification, targeted marketing, social network, filtering, behavioral analysis of a customer, of a user. According to the user behavior, according to the user requirement, interest, they are showing the advertisement, right? Nowadays Google advertisement, how you are able to see everywhere in Facebook, Facebook, in Google, in YouTube, whenever you are searching anything, you are getting advertisement. How? Because it is analysis of the behavior of the user. That is possible through the neural network. Financial prediction by processing the historical data. Electrical load energy demand forecasting, process of quality control, chemical compound identification. Everywhere the neural network is important. Okay, yes, everywhere the neural network is important. Computer vision is a very important part nowadays. So many PhD research is going on under computer vision. Computer is able to see. How computer is able to see? Computer vision is the ability to extract information on the inside from the images and the videos. Barcode, sometimes we are drawing an image. I saw that also. If you see that some story like some very popular stories like thirsty crow story. So if you are drawing the image of the thirsty crow story, and if you are scanning with the Google Lens will automatically tell you this is the story of thirsty crow. How it is possible? You can try. Through the Google Lens, whenever you are scanning any image, then Google Lens is telling you about that image. How this is possible? That is the one part of computer vision. Through the image, through the video. In this video, when I am taking the video, Google is doing the analysis. YouTube will do the analysis. Is there any copyright? Is there any copyright content? Is there anything what is violence? Violence is there? Is there any problem in my video? Always YouTube is checking. If something wrong in the video, Google will not allow, YouTube will not allow to run that video. How it is possible? How that is possible? Google is through the video, YouTube automatically showing the caption. It is automatically the caption is coming. How caption is coming? How YouTube is able to read my voice? Voice recognition also done. Okay Google, whenever you are telling, how Google is able to understand, right? How it is possible? These are computer vision. Computer vision is the part of image analysis, where image video analysis is going on. Okay, video image understanding, it can understand everything. So neural network, computer can distinguish the recognizing image similar to human. Computer vision has the several applications such as the visual recognition of the self-driving car, recognition the road sign, because through the road sign driving will be automatically going on. Content moderation, automatically remove the unsafe and inappropriate content from the image or video. Inappropriate content. Facial recognition, through the face recognition, eyes, glasses, hair, facial, through that part Facebook is showing you to tag your friends. When you are uploading any group photo in the Facebook, then Facebook is showing you automatic suggestion that tag your friends. How? There are 10 people, 12 people in that group, and automatically in the face Facebook is giving the suggestion. That is also computer vision. Image labeling, identifying the brand logo, clothing, that is also possible through the computer vision. That's why nowadays computer vision is a highly related topic. You can see from today's class, most of the topic, what is trending topic is going on, through which the so many PhD researches are also going on. These topics are here. Speech recognition, another part. This is also another part. Speech recognition is a very important part nowadays. Through the speech, so many things are going on. So neural network can analyze the human speech despite of varying the speech recognition. Pitch, tone, that is also. Not only speech, the pitch. Pitch means you are high, low, in which pitch you are calling. Pitch, tone, language and accent also. Beyond the language. It is beyond the language. That is coming under your beyond language also. Paralanguage. We are telling that paralanguage, right? So visual assistants like the Amazon, Alexa, and transcription is going on. So assist call center agent, convert the clinical conversion, accurate subtitle of the video, These are coming under speech recognition. You can relate this, whatever is important for exam, because AI means it is not like that all things if you are reading that will be sufficient. You have to relate whatever daily life we are using, how it is working. NLP, natural language processing, this is also in our syllabus. Natural language processing is the ability to process the natural human created text, right? By we are human being, we are creating the text, we are writing the text, handwritten document can be also there. So the neural network helps the computer gather the insight and the meaning from the text data document. Text data document, it is able to identify the meaning. NLP has the several uses like the automated virtual agent, chatbot. Nowadays, if you are opening any website, in any website, automatically the chat box is coming. How can I help you? Right? You are talking with the chatbot. Everywhere nowadays chatbot is using. There is no human being, automatically bot is calling. Chatbot is talking with you. Right? Because natural language processing, you are chatting, chatbot is answering automatically. Automated organization and the classification of the written data. Business intelligence analysis for the long form document like the email or the forms. Indexing the key phrases that indicate the sentimental like positive and negative comment on the social media. When you guys are commenting in the chat box, then this chat box filter is also there. If you are commenting here, something inappropriate comment will be there. YouTube is then and they are showing me held for review, because I add that settings of that, yes, so that in the live class any people cannot do any comment. How it is possible? How YouTube then and there it is able to filter that through the natural language processing, because it is there in the knowledge base ki okay, these are the inappropriate comment, and it can predict some inappropriate comment. 2 days back, Poonam, when Poonam was doing mistake, Poonam write that, oh shit, this word Poonam wrote, I know that, but it was not showing. It was showing me for held for your review. Is it or not, Poonam? Your comment was not showing. Your comment was not showing in the chat box, because it was showing me that held for review. Okay, so this is you can understand ki it is the one type of natural language processing. I don't know in this video also YouTube will show me alert or not. I don't know YouTube will show the alert or not, because I use that, so maybe YouTube can also show that alert to me also. So this is the natural language processing. Document summarizing, article generation of the given topic will be there. These are coming under natural language processing. What are the area, that is you need to know. Recommendation engine, recommendation system, it is also another area of PhD topic. Everywhere nowadays PhD topic, very popular topic these are. Recommendation system. Neural network tracks user activity to develop the personalized recommendation. If you are, everyone is watching the YouTube. In YouTube is recommending some videos for you. Those who are watching the UGC NET computer science video, YouTube is automatically recommending that video. Okay, this is the video for you. This is the channel recommended for you. Is it or not? YouTube is not showing you any other content, right? YouTube is showing you, in YouTube there are lots of videos, but whatever as per your preference, as per your choice only, YouTube is showing the suggestion. If you open the YouTube in your home page, all as per your interest videos are coming. That is the part of recommendation engine. They also analyze all the user behavior, discover the new product. Even also you are watching my channel. YouTube is giving suggestion of other channels also. Sometimes some new channel suggestions are also coming. Even so many new users are coming to my channel. How? Because YouTube is recommending that videos. When anyone is trying to search for the UGC net computer science topic or any other artificial intelligence, maybe some new user, those who will watch this video only, those who will search for that neural network topic, maybe YouTube will recommend this video, and through that recommendation user will be able to identify my channel, and after that they will subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest update and notification. Because YouTube can recommend you the channel, yes, this channel will be good for you, this video will be good for you, but if you are not clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, then YouTube cannot do it for you. So that is you have to do, you have to click on the subscribe and click the notification bell icon, and try to click on like button also, because I hope you are able to relate that neural network where it is useful, why we are using with our daily life. If you like this video, then like this video and share this video to all of your friends. That is also YouTube can't do. The share button is there so that you can share it to your friends. That is you have to do. That much YouTube can't do. Okay, so please do it by yourself. So service the interested specific user. Here interest specific user, right? For example, A like this is something is there. The brand converted the social media. It will convert the brand to the social media. Okay, these are all the recommendation system. Next one is the simple neural network architecture. Simple neural network. What is the simple neural network architecture? Till now you understand that whereas the use of neural network, how neural network is working, that is we are going to do now. That is the structure of the neural network. In the structure of the neural network there are 3 layers. First layer is input layer, next layer is hidden layer, next layer is output layer. There are 3 layers. So input layer means you are giving the input. How the inputs will be given? Here I am taking an example of neural network. You can see this image. In this image, just think like that it is a face recognition system going on. There are some animals, like you are trying to identify, there are animal, cat, dog, cow. These 3 animals is your input. Okay, you collected the face of the animals. Now there is the face recognition. You want to do the face recognition. These are the some input values where you will give the face image. After that there will be the weight also. These are called the weight factor. Like that, think like that, there are 3 members in your team. This is member 1, this is member 2, this is member 3. You are showing the face part to that member. First member is telling, is it cat? You are asking that, is it a cat face? Now this member is telling, yes, according to me I think 80% is matching with a cat. So he is giving that value 0.8. You are showing another person. He is telling that according to me it is 0.60% it's matching. So it is 0.6. You are showing this person. He is telling no, it's not a cat. I don't think it is a cat. It is just looking like, according to me 20% it can be cat. So that is 0.2. According to him it is 0.2. After that the weightage. What is the weightage according to, think like that, weightage means maybe how much authentic person it is. According to that you are fixing some weight. Okay, maybe it is 2, weight 2, maybe it is the weightage 3, and maybe this is the weightage 1. Maybe because every person in your team member don't have the same weightage. Maybe, just for example I am telling. Now you will multiply the weight with the value. We will multiply the value with the weight. Here also multiply the value with the weight. Here also multiply the value with the weight. After that there will be the threshold value. What is the threshold value? After doing addition and multiplication, if the threshold value is going more than 0.8 or maybe it's more than 0.7, then it will give result true, otherwise it will give result false. If your answer is coming greater or equals to threshold value, then it is giving true, otherwise it is giving false. This is the way the neural network is working. That is the meaning. Here you can see input layer, the information from the outside world, you are taking the information, enter artificial network, it will take the input. Hidden layer, what is going on? Hidden layer is the most important part of the neural network. How many hidden layer is there, accuracy will be that much more. If you are increasing number of hidden layer more, then accuracy will be more and time will be also more. That is the problem of neural network. Input and output is fixed, but in your system how many hidden layer you are using, according to that your accuracy will improve, because in the hidden layer only ultimate processing is going on. Ultimate processing will be going on in the hidden layer. So hidden layer, their input and the weight factor processing will be there. Output means it will take the output, is it correct or is it a cat or not. That is yes, no. Is it a cat? If it is more than threshold value, then it will be. What is the weight? Weight are the numeric value that multiply by the input. In back propagation, they are modified to reduce the loss. In simple word, the weight are the machine learned values from the neural network and self adjustment depending on the difference between the prediction. Activation function, this is the activation function. This is the mathematical formula. For each and every activation function will be there, and through the activation function neuron will go to switch on or off, true or false. Through the activation function only it will take the decision. This is the architecture of a neural network. This is the architecture. You can see here is the input layer, these are the hidden layer, these are the output layer. So input layer represent the dimensional input vector, hidden layer represent intermediary node, divide the input space into the region soft boundaries. Output is giving you the output. Is that clear? I will ask you question. Is that clear? I will ask you now only a numerical question. Now only I am going to ask you a numerical question. Are you ready for that? Are you ready? Can you give me the answer? Yes. So many topics we have to learn. Tell me what is the example. This is easy one. This is just easy one. You can tell me what will be the answer. Okay. Yes, answers are coming. Answers are coming. Option D is the correct answer. Day 4 video is not there. Is it? Okay, I will check it. I will check it. Ivarasi. Oh no. After a long time? Ivarasi, right? After a long time, how are you? I will check after day 4 video is there or not. Yes. So here it is summation of WIXI. That is the activation function, how it is the working. Now you can tell me what will be the answer for this one. After a long time, I think after 2 years. Is that after 2 years? You was doing class 2021, if I am not wrong. 2021 maybe. And you pass that time. That time you record a video also. 8085 video. Is that, if I am not wrong, 8085 programming video you sent me and I uploaded in this channel. 2020 net question. 2020 or 21 at that time. At that time maybe. Yes. Is that you? Tell me guys, what will be the answer for this one? Okay. Till now I can see that so many students are watching, but you did not like button. You always forgot to like button. 29 like. Other people can do dislike. Dislike it. No problem. Okay, answers are coming. Answers are coming. Yes, I can see that. So, here, okay. So, Ivarasi, you can understand that I can remember everyone. The new students. It is your you can remember that one thing. Why I am telling the student to come live? Because those students who are coming live, those who are doing classes regularly, I am trying to remember them whole life. Although I am not able to see you, I am not able to talk with you, but with your name, with your interaction in the class, and after that beyond the class also, I am connected with the students through the WhatsApp. So those who are always connected with me, Ivarasi really last 2 years she is not connected. Last 2 years she is not connected with me. But I am able to recall her because she was a dedicated student. She is a dedicated student, was not, now also she is learning. So she is a dedicated student. She was regular at that time in the classes. That's me. Although I am taking live classes, online classes, but still I am trying to remember the students. Some students are like that, whose I can remember them. If you want to be like that, yes, Priyanka ma'am will recognize you for the lifetime with your name, then you can come live, you can interact with me so that I can remember you. Yes, Poonam Patel, her image. Poonam Patel, your image, your name, I will not forget, I hope so. Every day, every time you are coming live. So I think I can remember you. So what will be the answer? Oh my god. Something outside it's going on. Wait 1 minute. Yes. So here what we have to do, here the weight factor is given, here the threshold is given, x1 value, x2 value is given. So what we have to do, w1 multiply into x1 plus w2 multiply into x2. You are doing and you are getting that value, this one multiplied with this one, minus 5.07. You will get here 2.42. So here your answer will be minus 2.65. Minus 2.65, that will be your answer. Now your threshold value was given here 0.3. So definitely 0.3 is my threshold value. This is less than. So that's why my answer will be 0. What I told, if it is less than the threshold value, then it is 0, means false. If it is greater or equals to the threshold value, then it is true. Like your cutoff. If the cutoff, if you are greater or equals to the cutoff, greater or equals to, then you pass the exam. If you are less than the cutoff, then you will be not able to pass the exam. This is the way it's working, right? So same thing is going on here. Now see that, now come to the next point, that different types of neural network. Deep learning neural network architecture, it is depending on the hidden layer. How many hidden layer you are adding, that means that much deeper you are going. That is the deep learning neural network. Deep learning neural network have the several hidden layer with the million of artificial neural network linked together. The number called weight represent the connected between the one node to another node, and weight is the positive number. If one node is another node, then the negative, and it will be suppressed another one. That is the mainly the deep learning is concept is coming with the how many layer you are adding. According to that, how much deeper you are going here. Deep learning not, it is deep neural network. Deep learning is different. It is deep neural network. According to the deeper, how much deeper you are going. So theoretically, deep learning network can import in any input type or any output type. However, it is also need much more training as compared to other machine learning method, because the hidden layer, it's required more training and it's required more time also. Training the data may take the 100 or 1000, that's simpler to the normal network. This will take more time. Okay. So here these are the some key concept of deep learning network. Deep learning network is distinguished from the normal network by depth, the number of hidden layer how you are adding, and earlier version of that, the first perceptron. Perceptron is the basic neural network. That is, we will learn the perceptron now. It is the basic one. So here you can see some example how the layer, the hidden layer is working. This is the layer 1. Here you can see different, you are not able to predict anything. These are the first layer. From the first layer, it will combine. After combine to the second layer, now you are able to identify this is eyes with nose, this is the nose area, this is ear area. You are able to identify that, right? After that, in the next layer, they combine the eyes, ear, mouth, all are combined together, and now you are able to get a face, total face. This is the hidden layers, how the layers are working, how you are getting the input, and from the input how layers will work, and ultimately it will get the output. This is the successive model layers learn deeper intermediate representation. That is an example. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear to everyone? Now I am coming to the one by one. First one, we will learn the perceptron. Very, very important. From the perceptron questions are coming. Very, very important. So what is perceptron? Perceptron model is the one of the simplest and the oldest model. Oldest neuron out of the neural network, and it is the simple unit neural network. that does not certain computation or detection feature or the business intelligence will be there. It accepts the weight input and apply the activation function to obtain the output in the final result. Okay, so how the perceptron is working? The perceptron is the supervised learning algorithm. अरे यार, so from now only prepare a note, prepare a chart like that. These are the supervised neural network, these are the unsupervised neural network. Okay, one by one we will learn, and there only you will point out, because multiple questions are coming. This is under supervised neural network, this is under unsupervised neural network. Okay, so this is coming under like this. So supervised learning algorithm that classifies the data into two categories such that the binary classifier, it is called the binary classifier. Perceptron the space of the two categories by a hyperplane. How it is hyperplane equation, how it will be going on, that is I am showing you. And it is a supervised learning by the binary classifier. Here we will take the input linear classifier. Linear classifier means what? Through one line you are able to classify the input. There will be so many inputs. Now out of the input you are able to classify them with one line. Just now you take that x with W0, this is 1, here it is y, this is also W0, and this is also W0. Okay, threshold value, that is the threshold value. Threshold value means cutoff. Threshold value means cutoff. What is your cutoff? Whenever you are getting output, you will check with the cutoff. You are getting in the exam 150. Now you are not sure you will pass the exam or not, because what will be the cutoff? If the cutoff is 150, then maybe you can pass. If the cutoff is 152, then you will fail. Then you will fail. That is the cutoff. This is called the cutoff. If the cutoff is 150, then you will be not able to pass the exam 152. That is cutoff. That is threshold. Okay, that is required for your exam also. Cutoff is the most important part. You need to touch the cutoff. So the perceptron learning rule is here. You can get the learning rule. It is very important. From here questions are coming, and try to understand it. Perceptron is linearly separable means what? It is binary value. So in binary, what are the combinations are possible? Two values it will take. So that's why if I am taking input like AB are the input. What are the possibilities? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are the all possibilities are there. Okay, so if I am drawing the graph, this is my 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, you are getting that one. Now see here, what are the values? Here is the 0 0 position, this is 1 0 position, this is 0 1 position, and this is 1 1 position. These are the position, right? These are the all position you can get. Yes. Now see, now when I am doing the AND gate, what will be the result of AND gate? If you are using the AND gate here, if you are, I am writing here so that it will be better. AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. A plus B, A dot B, and I am taking an example of XOR, that is A XOR B. What are the answer? Answers are coming like 0 0 means this is 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 is also 1. For A dot B, what will be? This is also 0 0 0, it is 1. XOR means this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. Okay. Now see. Now if I am trying to put the OR value, when it is working with OR, I am trying to put the OR value. Now I will color. How to color? What of the 1 point? These are the point where they are 1 and this is the point where they are 0. So this point is only 0, other than that all the red color are 1. Yes. This point is only 0, other than that all the red color are 1. That is I am making as a green color. These are all green color. Because these are all 1, these are true. So can I make a boundary line between them? Can I separate them with one boundary line? I can separate them with one boundary line like this way. I can create a boundary line like this. Is it or not? That's why AND OR gate is linearly separable. OR gate is linearly separable. So perception can perceptron can imply this one. Okay, XOR this one is 0. XOR this one is 0. Yes. Got it? Linearly separable means through one line. By one line can you separate them? By one line can you separate them? Yes, one line I can separate them. That is the meaning linearly separable. Okay. So OR gate is done. Now if I am going for, oh sorry, as I am drawing again. Now OR gate is done. Now if I am doing with the AND gate, what will be happen in the AND gate? All these are 0, only 1 1 is 1. So these all are the red color and this is only green color. This one is only green color, right? Because 1 1 is only 1, other than that all are 0. Can I make a line between them? Yes, I can make a line. I can make a line. So I can linearly separable them. It is possible. Using NAND gate will be just opposite to the AND. So that is also possible. Just opposite to AND, that is NAND. So it will be possible. But if you are coming to XOR, what will be happen in the XOR? In XOR, it will be happen like this. In XOR, what is happening? See that. In XOR, what are the green color? These two are the green color. That is 0 1 and 1 0. So 0 1 and 1 0. This is green color and this is green color. And this one is red color. This one is also red color. This one is also red color. Now can you separate them with one line? With one line, are you able to separate them? You will be not able to separate them with one line. At least you need here two lines. This line and this line. At least you need here two lines. Through line also you will be not able to separate. You will be not able to separate them through the two line also. How you can do the separation? Here you can do the separation like this way. Here this one and here this one. Like this way you can make them separate. So that this is in one part, this is in one part and this is in another part. You can make them like this way. Through one line you will be not able to make anyhow. And that's why, that is the reason why this is not linearly separable. XOR perceptron problem cannot solve the XOR. It is not able to solve the XOR. Perceptron can only linearly separable and it is not able to solve the XOR. This is very important. Questions are coming from here and it is very important concept. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is that clear? Yes. Yes. Chalo. Now next one is the feed forward neural network. Feed forward neural network is what? The feed forward neural network is the multiple network hidden layer where it is going to forward direction. Data in the forward direction only, it cannot come to the backward direction. No backward propagation is here. It is going only forward. That's why the name is feed forward. From here also questions are coming. Okay. So the hidden layer might not be necessarily present in the neural network application. More number of layer, more customized weight and all, but main concept is this one, feed forward network. So here where we are applying the feed forward network, what is the application? Application is simple classification, face recognition, computer vision, everywhere we are using. And the simplest form of neural network where input data travel one direction only, passing through the artificial intelligence and further classified into single layer and the multi-layer feed forward. Feed forward is divided into two parts. One is single layer feed forward, another is multi-layer feed forward. What are the advantages? Less complex, fast and speed because it is one way, highly responsive to the noisy data. From here questions are coming. For noisy data, what type of algorithm we can use? Here this feed forward is highly responsive for the noisy data. Write down this in your notebook. Today we will solve the question, then you can understand why I am telling you. Disadvantages: cannot use for the deep learning due to the absence of dense layer and the back propagation. Here absence of dense layer and back propagation is the problem, and that's why you cannot use in the deep learning. These are the points, note it down. Okay. Next one is the multi-layer perceptron. Multi-layer means you can see here so many multiple hidden layer will be there. Main shortcome of the feed forward network was to enability of the back propagation. Back propagation was not there. But in multi-layer perceptron of the neural network, which is incorporate the multiple hidden layer and the activation function, the learning takes place in supervised manner. This is also supervised manner, and the weight is the gradient descent. This is updated means by the gradient descent. Multi-layer perceptron is the bidirectional, that is forward propagation and the backward propagation of the input will be updated. Both are going on here. These lines are very important. Forward and backward propagation both are going on in the multi-layer perceptron. Okay. So the activation function can be changes with respect to the target. Softmax is usually the multi-cases classifier, sigmoid for the binary classifier, and the so on. So this is called the dense network because all the neuron layer connected with all network to the next layer. Why it is called the dense network? This is also important. Write down it. All the important points only I give it here, from where questions are coming. Okay. The deep learning is possible here. The deep learning application is possible here, but generally slow due to the complex structure. In multi-layer perceptron we can do the deep learning, but it will be slow because of the complex structure. Okay. So what are the application of multi-layer perceptron? Speech recognition, machine translation, and the complex classification. These are the main application of the multi-layer perceptron. Okay. What are the advantages? Used for deep learning due to presence of the dense fully connected layer and the back propagation. What is the disadvantage? Comparatively complex design and mainly slow. It will be little bit slow depending on the number of hidden layer. That is the disadvantage of multi-layer perceptron. Now next one is the radial basis network, that is RBN. What is that thing going on here? It's completely different way to predict the target. The prediction is going on and it consists on the input layer, RBF neuron and the output. RBF neurons store the actual classes of each and the training data. Here it will store the actual classes and the training data and the radial used in the activation function. When the new data, if you are giving a new data, when a new data is fed into this network, the RBF network compare the Euclidean distance to the Euclidean distance, okay, to the Euclidean, not, it is Euclidean distance, to the Euclidean distance, the feature value and the actual classes will be stored into the neuron. This is calculating the Euclidean distance, and through the Euclidean distance it can work with the new data also, and finding the cluster, it will finding the cluster through the Euclidean distance. If the distance is minimum, then it will be in the same cluster, otherwise it will go to the next cluster. Does the particular instance belong to that, but the class is distance will be minimum, then assigned to the predicted class, otherwise it will go to the new class. This is the way how the radial basis network is working. Main focus using the Euclidean distance, it will make the cluster. Okay. So here the radial basis function network consists of input vector followed by the layer and the output per node category it will be there, and it will classify like this way. Now come to here, you can see the application where we are applying. Applications are mainly important from where questions are coming. Power restoration, main power restoration. Here you can see the example. In this example you can see there is the power cut. Here is the power cut, right? Power cut in P1 needs to restore fast. Here they are connected, so it will be distance will be calculated here. What are the nearby distance? So whenever there is the power cut, which one will be restored fast? P1 need to be restored fast. Power cut P3 need to be restored next. Here this is need to be restored next. Why? P2 is here, but why not P2? Because in P2 there is only one home, but in P3 there are 3 homes. So what is more important? More important is P3. That's why P2 can be ignored, because P2 should fetch last because its impact only one house. This decision making can be done through the radial basis function through the Euclidean distance. Got it? The practical example you have to understand, because questions will come from the practical example and where we can use what type of algorithm. Is that clear? How the practically it's working? Radial basis function, how practically it's work? Is that clear? Yes. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Next one is the convolution network, neural network. What is that? Convolution network is that is CNN contain the multiple convolution layer which is responsible for the extraction of the important feature from the image. It is for the image purpose going on. Earlier the layer are responsible for the low level detail. Later the layer are responsible for more high level feature. The convolution operation used for the customized matrix and also as a filter to convolute over the input image and produce the map. It is mainly working on the image. Where you will give the image, it will produce the map. This filter are initialized randomly, then updated via back propagation. Randomly it will be given it will go ahead. After that, through the back propagation, it will be updated. For example, such a filter of any edge direction, you can see the edge direction. Here I am giving directly. Now through the back propagation I can update it. Is used to find the edge in any image. In every image, what are the edge and what will be the edge, it will be used for that. This is the purpose. Okay. After the convolution layer, the pooling layer will be responsible and the aggregate will be here. This is mainly purpose. You can see the image. It will be converted, then pool, then convert, then it will be flattened. Like this way it is working. Okay. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. So application of convolution network is this, that is image processing, computer vision, speech recognition and machine translation. Three-dimensional arrangement in the neural network instead of standard two-dimension array. That is the main concept. You can write down in your notebook. The main concept only I am telling. So here used for deep learning, fewer parameter, less parameter will be there, and disadvantage is comparatively complex and it is also slow, little bit slow. Recurrent neural network, you can see the recurrent neural network. This is the recurrent neural network. How many are remaining? Recurrent neural network Hopfield will be, achha, tomorrow I have to continue the class. This recurrent and the Hopfield I will do tomorrow. Just now my daughter came and she is telling, give me the food. She is telling that. So it will take some time. So neural network part 2 we will do tomorrow. That will be better, because otherwise you cannot understand. Question we will do today. Question I will show you, and concept we will do tomorrow. What is the recurrent neural network? It is important. Or we can do one thing. Evening class we can do that, and next day we can do practice. That is we can do. Okay. We can do that 6:45 class also I can do for the recurrent neural network. After that we can do the practice. Okay. That is I will try. First I will explain the remaining part, recurrent neural network and feed forward. Then we will do the practice, so that both will be done. Okay. Okay. Is that okay for everyone? Okay, I will do that. Okay, I will come early little bit, around 6 PM I will come. So we will do this part, then we will solve the question. Okay, so for now I have to go, I have to give her food. Bye. Bye everyone. I hope you are getting it. Next part we will do in the next day. Next part I am also housewife. Chalo. Bye. I will do in the next evening. Evening we will do that.